Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I love having comfortable, easy to put on shoes for the summer. And it's an added bonus when they're shoes that match almost every outfit I wear. So check out these shoes. What is super nice about these are wide width. So I have wide feet. I don't usually have to get wide shoes. I usually wear 7.5, and usually that extra half size is more for the width of my foot than the length of my foot. So these are 7.5 wides, and I probably could have gotten away with getting 7s because they're already wide. These shoes are so comfortable. I love to throw them on. They're super easy to slip on and off when I'm on the go. The color is a beautiful brown camel color, so I feel like it really is a very neutral color that matches so much. And there's just enough padding on them that they are still very flat, but they are really comfortable shoes. If you have a hard time finding shoes that are wide enough, this pair is so cute, so comfortable, matches everything, and I'm thrilled to have them, as I'm sure you will be as well. And that is my point of view.